I'm gonna take my mask off just so you guys can understand me, but I wanna start by introducing myself. My name is Eliza and I'm the owner of Artel Salon. We wanted to make this video for you just to walk you guys through some of the protocols and guidelines, as your salon experience may look slightly different than it has in the past. So we're asking all clients to arrive at the salon at their appointment time. At this point, we're unable to let people come in and wait inside the salon, so we're asking everyone to show up just at the time of their appointment. When you arrive to the salon, we've got our guidelines posted on our doorway, and if you could please read through the guidelines before you come into the salon. Once you've read the guidelines, please knock on the door and either a receptionist or one of the stylists will let you know when it's safe to come in. When you first come into the salon, we'll have a sanitization station set up for you. So we've got hand sanitizer, we have disposable masks, we have reusable masks available for purchase as well. And that's just, to keep you guys safe while you're in the salon. So once you sanitize your hand and are wearing a mask, your stylist will take you to your station. We ask that you keep all your items with you at the station. We're asking clients to please limit the amount of shopping bags and backpacks and kind of things that oftentimes people bring with them. Your stylist will then go through a series of questions just to make sure that we are all on the same page regarding the guidelines, and then they'll proceed with your service. So if your appointment's here at our headquarters location, the sanitization station will be on this table just inside the door. If your appointment is at our Cambian 6 location, the hand sanitizer and other products will be on the coffee table as you come into the salon. Your stylist will then take you to their station. We have everyone spaced 6 feet apart right now, and they'll proceed with your service. So we wanted to answer some of the frequently asked questions that we've been receiving from clients. And the first one is regarding our bathrooms. Our bathrooms are absolutely available for use to our clients, but we do ask that you try and use the washroom at home before you come in to maybe save yourself from having to use a trip to our washroom. We're basically just trying to minimize the amount of commonly used spaces to help us stay on top of all of our cleaning and sanitizing protocols. We'll still have all of our retail products available for purchase. We just ask that you don't touch any of the products. Just let your stylist or the receptionist know what products you'd like to purchase, and we'll package them up for you. Alternatively, we still have our online store open, so head to our website at artelsalon.com and click on online store. You can have the products available for curbside pickup here at the salon or delivered to your house. So you may be wondering, how am I supposed to get a haircut around my ears while wearing a mask? Simply put 2 fingers on the mask to hold it to your face, and your stylist will take the ear flap off and work around it. Trust me, it's going to feel weird, but we're going to get used to it. At this point, we're unable to offer our coffee and tea service, but clients are welcome to bring beverages of their choice. We also ask that you refrain from bringing your lunch or snacks to the appointment, as well as leave your 4-legged friends at home. So we've extended appointment times as well as added a 15-minute buffer between each client so that we have the proper time to sanitize each station. Each stylist will fully sanitize and wipe down their station and make sure that all tools are sanitized as well. So we will be installing plexiglass barriers at our front desks, and we're trying to minimize lineups at the front desk. So please wait in your chair until your stylist says it's free to come up to the front desk to pay. At this point, we are only accepting payments via debit or credit card, and we're making sure that our debit machine is fully sanitized between each client use. Before leaving, we highly recommend that you pre-book your next appointment. Demand is higher than ever and our waitlist continues to grow daily, and we want to make sure that we get our regular clients in. So please pre-book your next appointment before you leave the salon. If you have questions or concerns about anything, please email us. We want to make sure that our clients are safe and feel comfortable and at home. So if you have any questions or concerns, please email us at eliza@artelsalon.com. We know that this is new for everyone, and we're trying our best to make sure that you still have the same amazing experience at Artel. We're so looking forward to having you come back into the salon, and we are so incredibly appreciative of all the love and support that you've shown us over the last few months.